Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. Today I'm going to tell you why just using AI tools won't make you a good developer. This is AI Impact series. I hope you're enjoying it. Let's get started. Alright, the background first. Everyone thinks AI tools can turn them into a developer overnight. And we all know that's the biggest lie that you can believe in. Copy pasting AI generated code won't teach you problem solving or logical thinking ability. You can produce code for sure, but you don't understand it. You're just a script clicker, right? Basically, you're instead of thinking, instead of creating, instead of innovating, you're just doing copy paste kind of work. So if you rely solely on AI, you can never become a skilled developer. Just an independent user who can copy paste. Now, let's talk about first things first, honestly. AI can generate code, yes, but it can't teach you why it works or why it wrote in certain way. Beginners copy without understanding. That is like introducing more bugs and getting ready to fail. Companies are not hiring, they don't hire AI tools, they hire humans who can solve problems, who can think out of the box, who can tell AI what to do. Your career depends on thinking and not just clicking buttons. Blind AI use will make you a mediocre developer and not a master. Now, what's the current state? AI makes coding faster, easier, and accessible to everyone. Beginners are tempted to skip learning fundamentals. You think that speed is equal to skill, but it's not. Tutorials, scripts, tools make it easy to copy, but that's not mastery. Many confuse output with understanding. The shortcut feels satisfying, but it's actually a giant trap that you're falling into. So, what's the impact of AI? AI is a tool, it's not a teacher. Don't confuse the two. It will accelerate your work, but doesn't replace the learning aspect. Beginners may produce code that works temporarily, but it can't adapt in long run. Companies need developers who understand architecture, algorithm, creative way of thinking, problem solving ability, and debugging ability. AI generated code can introduce hidden problems if blindly used. So, what's exactly the real failure reason then? Many fail because they think clicking AI buttons is equal to skill. They avoid learning fundamentals like looping, logic, problem solving, algorithms, DSAs, etc. They rely on the trial and error mode with AI instead of understanding errors, understanding the fundamental requirement itself. When AI fails, they fail too. This creates dependency and stagnates your own career growth. So, what's my honest take on it? AI won't make you a good developer. It will make you work faster if you understand coding. Skills will come from solving problems, debugging, and understanding the business logic. Tools can accelerate mastery, but they can't replace it. Focus on fundamentals first. That's what I tell always on my channel also. Fundamentals will never be out of fashion. AI is always there to help, but fundamentals are absolutely critical. Dependence on AI without knowledge, it means you're risking your career entirely. Don't do that mistake. Think carefully, learn deeply, and then use AI as a superpower. So, what you should do instead? Learn core programming concepts before relying on AI. Debug, understand, modify AI generated code. Practice problem solving and logical thinking daily. Use AI as a tutor, right, and not as a crutch. Build small projects, side projects manually before scaling with AI. Combine fundamentals, data structures, AI for real growth and not just output, right? So when you build something useful, not just the hello world or to-do list kind of a stuff. That's my take on this. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about it. I would love to hear from you. Please do like these videos so that others can also discover these videos and give their view. Till then, spread knowledge, spread love. Thank you so much. See you in the next part.